Hello guys, you're welcome back again. In this question, the question says in the reaction 3NO2 plus H2O to produce 2HNO3 plus NO. Is the reaction balanced? Right. So we have to check whether this reaction, right, is balanced or not. So in order to check that, we must make sure that all the atoms, right, all the individual atoms that are there in the reactant side must be equal to the ones found in the product side to ensure that the total number of atoms on either side are conserved, and this will be in line with the law of conservation of mass. Hope you remember that, right? Okay, let's quickly look at this solution, right? First thing first, let me write out the equation once again. 3NO2 plus H2O to produce 2HNO3 plus NO. Right, now let's conserve our nitrogen and see whether it is truly conserved. Right, so let's look at conservation of nitrogen. Right, now on the left hand side here, that is the reactant side, right, nitrogen appears in this molecule here, right, and overall we have one atom of it multiplying 3, right? So that means the number of nitrogen atoms here is 3. That's 3 multiplied by 1, right, which is equal to 3, right? There's no any nitrogen here, so is this equal to the other side, right? We also have nitrogen in HNO3, right? In HNO3 we have one atom of nitrogen. Okay, now 1 multiplied by 2, right, plus we also have 1 in NO, which is 1 multiplied by N. Overall, if you check, this will be 3N equivalent 2 times N will be 2N plus 1, which is also equal to 3N. This is conserved, right? So next, let's check whether oxygen is conserved. Conservation of oxygen, right? So here in NO2 we have oxygen there, right? So how many atoms of oxygen are there in NO2? That is 2. And we are having what? We are having the substance itself, NO2, being multiplied by the mole ratio here according to this equation, which is 3. So that will be 3 multiplied by as 2O, right, plus here we have 1 atom of oxygen in H2O. that will be 1 multiplied by O equal to, in HNO3 we have 3 atoms of oxygen and it is being multiplied by 2 mole ratio, multiplied by, that will be 3O, right? So 3 multiplied by O plus, here we have just only 1 atoms of oxygen. Okay, so this will be 6 oxygen plus 1 oxygen, right, equal 6 oxygen again plus 1 oxygen. This will be 7 oxygen equals 7 oxygen, right? So that means the oxygen is conserved as well. And lastly, let's check whether hydrogen is conserved. Conservation of hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen appears only in H2O, and that means this will be 2H, right? 2 atoms are there. At the other side, it appears in HNO3, and there is 1 atom in HNO3. That atom is being multiplied by this, which is 2H. So that means hydrogen. So what does it mean? It means that since the number of atoms, right, on the reactant side is the number of atoms on the product side, it means that the equation is balanced. The equation is what is balanced.